Здраво, драги дечиња. Како сте? How are you today? What holiday is approaching? Дали знаеме кој празник се наближува? Ајде ќе ви помогнам. It's Happy Easter. And what are we going to do today? Што ќе правиме денес? We're going to talk about likes and dislikes. We're going to cook a pancake and talk about Easter. Ке зборуваме за што сака и што не сака лингвини да јаде. Тоа ни е веќе познато. Ке сготвиме палачинка, ке зборуваме за Великден, а како креативна изработка за дома можеме да изработиме пирамидата на исхрана. So let's start. Take your books, notebooks and a pencil. Земете ја книгата, тетрадката училишна и моливче. Who can you see in the picture? It's the rat, Remy. What does Remy like? He likes cooking omelette. Реми сака да готви омлет. Односно, јајца со нешто друго. Eggs and something else. What does he like? Какви омлети сака тој да прави? Take your pencil and tick or cross. Земи го моливчето и стави штикла или крвче доколку сака. He likes. Then it's a tick. If he doesn't like, then it's a cross. So let's start. Listen and tick or cross.
Track 2.54. Pupils Book, Unit 6. Exercise 17. Listen, read, and say yes or no.
Remy likes eggs. He likes mushrooms. He doesn't like carrots. He likes cheese. He doesn't like peas. He likes tomatoes.
Okay, now take your pencil and notebooks and write what he likes or what he doesn't like. Сега земете училишната тетрадка и напишете што сака и што не сака. Потоа ќе провериме заедно. Let's check.
Track 2.54. Pupils Book, Unit 6. Exercise 17. Listen, read, and say yes or no.
Remy likes eggs. He likes mushrooms. He doesn't like carrots. He likes cheese. He doesn't like peas. He likes tomatoes.
Okay, is it correct? Yes, it is. Let's go on. Now, this is exercise 18. Look at the table and in your notebook write about Colette and Linguini. Земете училишната тетрадка и според табелата треба да запишеме реченици за Colette and Linguini. Do you remember Colette and Linguini? Yes, they cook food. Да, тие готват храна. Запишете за Colette. She likes a happy face and she doesn't like if there is sad face. Напишете реченици за Колет во вашата училишна тетрадка, а за Лингвини во домашната. Let's go on. Now, the Pancake Day. Pancake Day is the day before Easter. Pancake Day се слави пред денот на великденските празници. A lot of kids with a pan run very fast. Дечињата готват pancakes и трчаат низ дворот. I love pancakes. What about you? Ајде да ја слушнеме Ема.
Track 3.41. Pupils Book, Pancake Day. Exercise 1. Listen and read.
Hi, I'm Emma. Today is Pancake Day. We eat lots of pancakes.
Okay, repeat after Emma.
I like pancakes. There are pancake races too. I can run fast.
Whenever you need, rewind the video and play it again. Доколку сакате, повторно вратете го видеото, слушнете и зборувајте заедно со Ема. Some new words on the right. Pan, eat, pancake, race, and fast. Can you cook pancake? Yes? If not, we can learn. Can you run fast? Yes, you can.
Track
Now, let's cook a pancake. Ајде да сготвиме палачинка. Што ни е потребно? We need eggs, milk, flour, pan, lemon, sugar, and pancake. Let's repeat them.
Track 3.42. Pupils Book, Pancake Day. Exercise 2. Listen and repeat. Then listen and point. Part 1.
Eggs, milk, flour, pan, lemon, sugar, pancake.
Okay, if you got egg, milk, flour, then you can make a pancake in a pan. With your mom, of course. Let's see the new words first. Ingredient, instruction, recipe, flour, mix, put, toss, eat, sugar. Now, repeat the words once again and let's make a pancake together. Ready? Go!
Part 2.
Mix the flour, eggs and milk. Put it in the pan. Toss the pancake. Eat the pancake with lemon and sugar. Mmm.
Yummy! I like pancake with Nutella cream. What about you? Maybe jam or sugar with lemon. Maybe with cheese. Yummy pancakes. Можете доколку имате време да си направите една палачинка од хартија или картонче. Завиткајте ја со тоа што најмногу сакате да ја јадете. We go on
Track 3.
with Easter. What is an Easter? Easter е празникот кој што ни се ближи. On the right, we've got Easter symbols. На десната страна ни се наоѓаат символите за Velgden. And in the picture we can see a lot of kids. They are hunting eggs. А на сликата имаме дечињата кои што бараат јајца во паркот. Let's read the symbols first. Repeat after me. Chocolate eggs, sweets, bunny, dyed eggs, grass, spring, lamp, cross, Jesus, nest, basket, treat, bench. Now let's hear them. The words and repeat after the CD.
Track 3.43. Pupils Book, Easter. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and repeat. Then listen, count, and say. Part 1. 1.
Nest.
2.
Basket.
3.
Bench.
4.
Sweets.
5.
Chocolate egg.
6.
Flowers.
Part 2.
Okay, now we're going to look for eggs. How many eggs? Сега ќе ги бараме јајцата. Under the bench, под клупата, in the basket, во крошната, in the nest, во гнездото, under the tree, под дрвото, under the flowers, под цвеќињата, next to the basket, до корпата and next to the bench, и до клупата. How many eggs? Count. Колку јајца? Ајде да изброиме.
Look in the nest. How many eggs are there? 5. Look in the basket. How many eggs are there? 3. Look on the bench. How many eggs are there? 2. Look under the flowers. How many eggs are there? 2. Look under the tree. How many eggs are there? 4. Look under the bench. How many eggs are there? 2. Look next to the basket. How many eggs are there? 1. Look next to the bench. How many eggs are there? 1.
Track.
Okay, now there is an Easter song. Do you like to sing? Of course you like. If you like to sing twice or 3 times, play it again and again. Let's do it together.
Track 3.44. Pupils Book, Easter. Exercise 2. Listen and sing.
Do you like chocolate? Do you like sweets? Do you like chocolate eggs and Easter treats?
Yes, I like chocolate and I like sweets. I like chocolate
chocolate? Do you like sweets? Do you like chocolate eggs and Easter treats?
I don't like chocolate, I don't like sweets, I don't like chocolate eggs and Easter treats.
Do you like chocolate? Do you like sweets? Do you like chocolate eggs and Easter treats?
Track 3.
Okay, now, if you have free time, you can do the food pyramid. Ако имаме време, доволно за слободни активности, ќе ја направиме како креативна изработка пирамидата за здрава исхрана. Do you remember? Дали се сеќавате? Состојките што се најдолу на пирамидата можеме да ги јадеме во поголеми количини. Колку се качуваме погоре, треба да ги јадеме состојките во помали количини. А најгоре се наоѓаат секако сладките и чоколадите и сладоледот. Обидете се на празната пирамида да ги внесете состојките и храната што треба да ги внесуваме на големо блокче. Откако ќе ги нацртате, означете ги. Пример, овде може да нацртаме јаболко и под јаболкото да напишеме apple. А за домашна задача ќе напишете реченици за лингвини, исто како што пишувавме за колет, според табелата. He likes and he doesn't like. Се надевам би се допадна песничката за Великден. Ќе ја препишеме и на англиски и ќе ја преведеме на македонски. Пирамидата во нашите слободни активности ќе изработиме и ќе го гледаме како готви лингвини заедно со гувчето. I wish you happy Easter. Ви посакувам убав Великден. Wishing you and your family all the joy and wonder this special holiday brings. And don't forget, eat healthy food, wash your hands, and take care. See you next time. Bye.
Oh, look! It's Remy the rat.
And his friend, Linguini.
Where are they?
They're at Linguini's home.
Watch out! Oops! Look! It's the fridge.
Oh no! What are they doing?
They're in the kitchen. They're going to cook. Look at the food. Carrots, mushrooms, tomatoes, garlic, and potatoes.
Tomato.
Yummy!
Oh dear. Oh look, he's making a pancake. Oh no!
Do you like spaghetti?
I love spaghetti. What about you?
Me too! Yay! Look, he's cutting the onion. Do you like onions?
Yes, I like onions. Do you like onions?
Not really, but I like eggs. Yum!
Look, they're making a soup.
Well done, Remy and Linguini.